Good evening, everybody. It's your boy Mukbang Flow. Man, we about to got a couple things going on tonight for dinner. We got the ever good hot link sausage. Need two of these. Went to Costco today and got a real Italian dish. Hey Rana, cut me a deal. So, in this package, we got the noodles, a little pack of noodles. Got the little chicken chunks, okay. With a sauce pack, look like an MRE. But we're gonna see how it do, man. Let's see what it says. It says Southwest sauce. And then we're gonna do a side of garlic bread. I'm gonna go get that right now. It's that Kirkland ciabatta. Costco, cut me a deal. What we're gonna use tonight is a skillet with my Big Boss air fryer. That's what I'm talking about. Big Boss, cut me a deal. What's up, man? I'm getting ready to drop that good old sauce in the little pan. Here we go. Let's get it. Ooh wee. That's nice and thick. Let me turn this heat down lightweight. Drop it down to 2. Make sure I get every little ingredient out the bag. We're gonna stay. Man, that smells so good. Again, that's that Southwestern linguine right there. Oh, we going to Southwest. Me and my baby going to Southwest tonight. Okay. Oh, gotta get every little thing in there. Okay. There it is. Okay. Next, we're gonna drop the noodles. This is a little noodle pack. Check them out one time. Look like a extra large top ramen bag. That's that linguine noodle. Go ahead and drop that out the bag, man. There you go. Go ahead and lay that down. See how gentle flavor was? In the back, I got them hot links going. And then